let us study about what valency is. Okay. Now, valency is nothing but the number of electrons that are present in the outermost shell of an atom. Okay. Yes, it is also the combining capacity of an element, but all right. So can you guys tell me what is the valency of calcium? Here's the thing. So we saw that the electronic configuration of calcium is 2882, right? So calcium has atomic number 20. Okay. Now 20 atomic number meaning 2, 8, 8, 2. This is the K shell, L, M, N. The nucleus is over here, and then these are the shells. Now, K shell has 2 electrons, L shell has 8 electrons, M shell has 8 electrons, N shell has 2 electrons. Valency is the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Clear? So what you have to start filling the electrons from the center. So if this is the nucleus, I have to start filling the electrons from the center. First, I have to fill the K shell. K shell can hold only 2 electrons. L shell can hold up to 8 electrons. So I have to first fill all the 8 in the L shell. Only then I can go on to the M shell. Then I can fill 8 electrons in the M shell, and then the remaining electrons will go in the N shell. Is the valency. I want to know the valency of chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Just 7. Valency is the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Actually, instead of valency, let's say number of valence electrons. All right. So let's take a look at, yeah. So basically all the outermost shell of these 3 atoms, you will notice that the outermost shell is full. Okay. Now that is called as the octet rule and the duplet. So octet rule basically states that the outermost shell should have 8 electrons. Okay. In order for an atom to be stable, it should have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. And the duplet rule states that in order for an atom to be stable, it has to have 2 electrons in the outermost shell only for helium and hydrogen. Okay. So duplet rule applies only to helium and hydrogen. Octet rule applies for all other elements in the periodic table. Notice that these atoms are stable atoms. Okay. Beryllium, I will not say that it is a stable atom. It is not a stable atom because it does not satisfy the octet and the duplet rule. But all of these, helium, neon, argon, they are all called noble gases. That means they do not react and they satisfy either the octet rule or the duplet rule. Okay. Now, but what happens is all the other elements, for example, hydrogen, sorry, that is helium. Sorry, hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, oxygen, all of these elements, they don't satisfy the octet rule or the duplet rule, but they try to satisfy. Okay. How do they try to satisfy? We will study that in the next class. So make sure you guys know atomic numbers of all the elements from 1 to 20. Okay.